Now in today's video, I want to show you how you can easily improve your fitness without having to walk 10,000 steps a day. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys. It's Dr. Mike, and I'm a physical therapist providing tips on how to build strength and longevity with your body. Now, if you're someone who cares about improving your fitness, maybe right now you want to work on increasing your physical activity levels on a daily basis, we all know that walking can be an easy mode of exercise that you can implement to help achieve this. And if you've done any sort of research on the internet, you've probably seen the guideline of 10,000 steps a day. And although this might seem like an easy task, if you're someone that has actually completed this, we know that for most people, that's going to take you over an hour to do this. And many of us don't have greater than an hour to work out or to perform our daily exercise. Many of us actually want something shorter, something quick that's still going to get the job done. In today's video, I really wanted to provide you guys with some strategies that you can use that will not only improve your fitness drastically, but will save you time in the long run. So the first strategy that we're going to teach you to help improve your fitness is by loading your walks. This is simply a strategy that you can use that will be just as challenging, and you're not having to walk as long as you would normally do without any weight. So simply you're going to carry some weight either in your hands. This is something that you've probably seen many people do. Or my favorite way is by using a weighted vest or a weighted ruck. Weighted vest is something now you can purchase on Amazon, and it's a weighted vest that kind of wraps around your back and loads your entire body. As well as like a ruck, it's more like a backpack that you wear with weight inside the backpack. And it's going to make your walk more challenging and will allow the exercise to challenge your entire body faster. The second way that you can challenge your fitness is by going on hikes. Now, hiking can be a great way to get outdoors, but also by challenging you to go on walks at various different slopes and terrains. So notice if you have gone on a hike before, you know that this can be very challenging if you're going even for a short walk, but if you're going uphill or even downhill, that can definitely stress out your legs a lot different than just flat ground, and you don't have to spend as much time if you're performing these hikes outside. The third strategy that you can use to help improve your fitness is by working on some aerobic training. Now, you can use a rower, you can use the bikes, swimming is also another mode of aerobic training, even jump roping or cycling. These are great ways to sprinkle in activity throughout the week that instead of just walking on flat ground, these are actually going to challenge you even more, and you can perform 20, 30 minutes at a time and really get a great workout with these. The next way to improve your fitness is by adding in some high intensity interval training. This is a great way to work at higher intensities and allow your body to come back down to recover and recuperate with the exercise. So you can definitely perform circuit training, high intensity training. This is why I'm a big fan of CrossFit, just because it adds in all these different modes of exercises, and you can really get a 10-minute or even a 20-minute workout that can challenge you way more than what a general walk would do for you. The next way that you can challenge your fitness is by adding in some resistance training. This is simply when we start incorporating exercises with more resistance. So maybe that's use of resistance bands or use of dumbbells or even barbells. And you can simply do this anywhere between 2 to 3 times per week. And this is going to challenge your muscle and force your muscles to get stronger, and in general is going to improve your general fitness. So the next strategy to improving your fitness is by adding in some exercise snacking. Now, if you haven't watched my video in the past, I made a video that I'll link in the description below on what exercise snacking really means. But the basic concept is that you are taking a longer bout of exercise and you're splitting it up in smaller sessions at a time. So you're doing snacks of exercise throughout the day in general to help improve your general health and fitness. And there's actually some research behind this that supports this way of exercising. This can be a great way to not only save time, but to not have to make you do one long bout of exercise at a time. So the last strategy to helping you improve your fitness is by implementing or participating more in new activities and hobbies. And I say new specifically because if you're performing hobbies for quite some time that you've been doing already, it's not going to be challenging enough. So you want to start new activities. Maybe that's activities like gardening that can definitely be very challenging for people who haven't done it before. And maybe that's getting back into playing basketball again, or maybe playing tennis again. These activities are not only fun and enjoyable, but will be more challenging and can be a great way to help improve your fitness. Now there you have it. Those are some of my favorite strategies that you can easily implement to help improve your fitness without having to walk 10,000 steps a day. Now, if you are currently performing any of these activities that I talked about in this video, please comment below on which one of these is your favorite. In the meantime, if you want to know how to improve your strength, longevity with your body, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.